Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. This is an oldie but a goodie. This is called a Twisty Pet. I don't know why this is kind of making a comeback. We found this in the drawer and I wanted to show you because they're like trending again. So it's this little pet and you can see you can like just, place it on the table like that. But then you can undo it and it is this like string and then you take the end and you stick it in the head and it becomes a bracelet. We used to have a bunch of these and then I don't even know what happened to them. We just got rid of them or whatever, but now they're making a comeback. So then once you take it off, you are going to like twist the legs in the front and then the same thing in the back. And there you go. She's cute, but they have all different styles. So I'm going to link these for you, but they are so much fun. These make just like a fun little gift just because they're not super expensive and they're just fun and super cute. So loving my Twisty Pet. Check it out.